Nature is the root of all designs, but how does nature influence modern architecture? The day modern technology took over the world, people have lost their touch with nature. There are many ways for people to connect with nature in space design, and one of the way is the applying of materials. The column resembles the tree, as trees are the main structure that holds the leaves, which in the early years people used it as shelter. I believe that the angle has to be precise to prevent it from collapsing. Mandarin's galleries cantilever glass ceiling is similar to the form of leaves, whereby the support frames in the middle joins up like the leaf veins, giving it the strength and also its simplicity design. Using nature as an inspiration allows young designers like us to reflect how our study majors came from and the functionality of our design, as everything starts from the ground we step on.